If people are trying to pull you down, understand one thing: you are on the right path. Because stones are never thrown at empty spaces. They are thrown at something that is about to become great. People will stop you. They will tell you you can't do it. But remember, the day you turn their words into fuel, that's the day your victory begins. My friend, life is not easy for anyone. Every person smiles outside, but inside, everyone is fighting a silent battle. Sometimes loneliness, sometimes failure, sometimes people's opinions, and sometimes the fear of losing to yourself. This video is here to remind you, you are not finished. You are just in the process of becoming stronger. A wise person is not the one who takes revenge. A wise person is the one who turns every pain into power. People will judge you. They will laugh at you. They will criticize you. But do you know the truth? The world always laughs at those who try to do something different. Your life is not bad. You are simply going through a difficult phase. And remember, hard times don't come to destroy you. They come to build the real you. When everyone leaves, when nobody supports you, when it feels like the whole world is against you, that is when a real warrior is born. Because success is not created in crowds. Success belongs to those who work alone. You keep thinking, my luck is bad. But the truth is, luck changes for those who change themselves every day. If you failed last time, it does not mean the end. It means now you know what doesn't work. Failure is not your enemy. It is the trial version of success. People who love comfort never create history. Those who stay inside their comfort zone only pass time in life. But those who move forward despite fear, they create their destiny. If you feel scared, understand that you are about to do something great. Never compare yourself with others. The moon and the sun are both powerful, but they shine at different times. Your time will also come, but first, you must stop stopping yourself. Move slowly, but never stop moving. Work hard today, and tomorrow the same people will tell your success story who doubt you today. Work silently so your success makes the noise. Remember, no friend, no relative, no world can fight your battles for you. Your dreams are your responsibility. Stand up, start again. Even if you start from zero, just start. One day will come when you will look back and say, "Thank God I never gave up." If you truly want to change your life, subscribe to this channel right now, because this is not just a channel. This is where mindsets change. Subscribe now and start taking your dreams seriously from today. Don't stop. If you feel tired, rest for a moment, but never quit, because victory belongs to the one who refuses to leave the battlefield. You can do it. You will do it, and the world will witness it. Jai Hind.